Hi crafty friends, today we're creating this mountain sunrise framed wood puzzle DIY kit. Inside your kit you'll find paintbrushes, paints, Mod Podge, laser cut wooden puzzle pieces, and a wooden frame. Start by painting your puzzle pieces. In this video we're showing a color palette with burnt sienna, burnt umber, raw sienna, and ochre. But we encourage our customers to get creative with your colors and craft your way. Let your cutouts dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Now prep your wood frame with a thin layer of Mod Podge. This helps everything stick and stay in place. Arrange and glue your painted puzzle pieces inside the frame. And watch your mountain sunrise come together. Once everything is dry, seal with a final coat of Mod Podge to protect and finish your project. And that's it! Your mountain sunrise framed wood puzzle is ready to display. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. And if you loved this DIY kit, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!